Na mamigori migosi Meru Mwangi owacho ni en ting' mar piny owacho ma pacho kaindi mondo gine ni jopuonjre otimo penje e Aluora no ero makare kendo maonge koko kata matin. Koloso ero mabende nokelo kanyakla jotend skunde kata principals mag skunde mopogore opogore e Migori County kono ero. Jatelo ero bende owacho ni kaunti ma Migori oseyangi kaka achiel kuom gwengego eko ma bende kuo mag penje ja nenore e kinde ma itime penje kojiwo oganda ma kono ero moriwo kanyakla stakeholders mago eko mag somo e Migori County mondo obi one ni mano ero gima bende oko otimore kata matin. Osingo ne jotend skunde ni jopuonjre ok bikalo e achiedh nade mag koko ma ikelo kod josiasa matimo campaigns e kinde ma bende gibiro bedo ka gidhi nyime kod timo penja magi kochakore chieng' wuok tich.
We've made all the necessary arrangements in terms of security in collaboration with our deputy county commissioners and led by the county commissioner and the security operators. Officers have been deployed and assigned a number of schools, and we are ready. The vehicles that shall be used for this exam have already been procured, both GK vehicles and our school buses. And come Monday and 14th of this month, when the KCP and KCSE shall be starting, I want to report that we are ready to go. Just to echo what has been said, we are aware briefing has been done at sub-county level. What we are doing today is just to emphasize and to remind each other on some key salient issues that we need to adhere to as we go to this very important exercise. We are doing it for ourselves, for our children.
You report it will, to us, it will be a belated concern. You are there, you are in charge. Center managers, we do not want to hear a situation where you delay to go to the container. Remember, we are saying that we are not going to allow any cheating. And when you take the exam, you must own up that process, up to and including the time you return those answer scripts back to the container. The only time we shall now tell the director what happened. Otherwise, when you have the questions and the examination material, we shall hold you responsible and accountable until you return those exams and answer scripts back to the container.